Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on translation. If an object is moved in a straight line without the object undergoing any turning motion, then the object has undergone a translation. The object maintains the same shape and size. It moves in one direction for a particular distance. Let's look at some examples. Here we have a triangle ABC, and here is an arrow telling us the direction of the translation. So we move the triangle from here to here, and the triangle is moving in a particular direction for a particular distance, and the shape and the size of the triangle remains the same. Here we have the same thing. This is a little shape here, and it's moving in that direction. So it doesn't matter what the direction is. It can be left, right, up, down, or it can be at an angle. As long as it's in a straight line, we call that a translation. Over here, we're looking at the pre-image, that is the original shape if you like, and we're sliding it. So another terminology or another way of saying that is that we slide. So that triangle slides, and here is the image. And here we have this red shape, and it moves in that direction, and that's the image. So for those four examples, each of those shapes has moved in a particular direction for a particular distance, and the shape and the size remains the same. Let's look at very simple examples of translation in real life. Let's look at this first example. Moving a chair closer or further away from a computer table. Ignore the rotation of the wheels. So if you just take the chair, the main body of the chair, don't worry about the rotation of the wheels. And if you slide the chair closer to the computer table, or you slide it away from the computer table in a straight line, that's an example of translation. Here's another very interesting example of translation. We're all familiar with the sliding drawer. You slide it in, or you slide it out, and you do so in a straight line. The shape and the size of the door remains the same, or the drawer, so that's an example of a translation. And here is another perfect example, the sliding window. So you can slide the window in that direction, or you can slide it in that direction. It moves in a straight line, so there's a perfect example of a translation. So this video has introduced us to the idea of translation, where an object moves in a straight line for a particular distance without turning, and the original size and shape of the object that was translated remains the same.